Viewers, did you know that without Earth's tilt, we wouldn't have seasons at all? Imagine living in a world where every day feels the same, no summer vacations, no winter snow, no beautiful autumn leaves. Sounds strange, right? But here's something even crazier. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, half the planet would be stuck in eternal daylight, while the other half would freeze in endless night. These mind-blowing facts are all linked to one thing: Earth's spin and tilt. Today, we're going to unravel the hidden secrets behind how our planet's movement creates the seasons. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see Earth in a completely new way. So, stay with me because this is going to be an eye-opening journey. Now, let's start with something simple. What actually causes the seasons? Many people believe that Earth gets closer to the sun in summer and farther in winter, but that's completely wrong. In reality, the real reason behind the changing seasons is Earth's tilt. Our planet is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees, and this tiny tilt is the reason we experience summer, winter, spring, and autumn. But how does this work? Let's dive deeper. Picture Earth as a spinning top. As it moves around the sun, it doesn't stand straight up, it leans. This means that at different times of the year, different parts of Earth receive more direct sunlight. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it gets more direct sunlight, making it summer in that part of the world. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere is tilting away from the sun, getting less sunlight, which makes it winter there. 6 months later, the situation flips. The southern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, experiencing summer, while the northern hemisphere leans away, bringing winter. This simple but powerful tilt is what controls the seasons, affecting everything from weather patterns to the way animals and plants behave. But wait, if the tilt is always the same, why don't we have extreme, unchanging seasons? That's where Earth's orbit comes into play. Earth doesn't just spin on its axis, it also moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, meaning its path isn't a perfect circle. However, surprisingly, Earth is actually closer to the sun in January than in July. So, why isn't it summer in January? That's because distance isn't the main factor. It's all about how much direct sunlight a region receives. When the sun's rays hit a region directly, it warms up more, leading to summer. When the rays hit at an angle, the energy spreads out, making it cooler. That's winter. This is why places near the equator, like countries in Africa or South America, don't experience drastic seasons. They are always getting strong, direct sunlight, keeping their climate warm year-round. Now let's talk about day and night length, another incredible effect of Earth's tilt. Ever noticed how summer days are long and winter days are short? That's because when a hemisphere tilts toward the sun appears in the sky for a longer time, giving us extended daylight hours. In summer, some places near the Arctic Circle experience midnight sun, where the sun never sets for weeks. On the flip side, in winter, the days shrink, and in extreme cases like in northern Alaska or Norway, the sun doesn't rise at all for months. Can you imagine living in complete darkness for weeks? That's the stunning impact of Earth's tilt on our daily lives. Now, viewers, here's something truly thrilling. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth's tilt changed? If the tilt increased to, say, 45 degrees, summers would become unbearably hot, and winters would be freezing beyond imagination. Entire ecosystems would collapse, and life as we know it would struggle to survive. On the other hand, if the tilt was 0 degrees, we would have no seasons at all. Every place on Earth would have a fixed climate, making the world a very dull and predictable place. But don't worry, our planet's tilt is very stable, thanks to the moon, which acts as a cosmic stabilizer. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could wildly shift, causing chaotic climate changes. So, next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not just lighting up the night sky, it's keeping our seasons in balance. But that's not all. Earth's spin also plays a critical role in shaping our weather and climate. As Earth spins on its axis, it creates something called the Coriolis effect, which influences wind and ocean currents. This effect is what causes hurricanes to spin in different directions in different hemispheres. It also helps distribute heat around the planet, preventing one side from becoming too hot while the other freezes. If Earth stopped spinning, the atmosphere would still be moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, creating devastating storms and extreme weather conditions. The oceans would shift, flooding continents, and without rotation, one side of Earth would be scorched, while the other would be frozen solid. In short, our planet's rotation is not just about day and night. It's an essential part of life on Earth. And speaking of Earth's movement, did you know that our planet's rotation is actually slowing down? Yes, that's right. Millions of years ago, a day on Earth was only 22 hours long, and in the distant future, days will become even longer. The reason? The moon's gravitational pull is gradually slowing our spin, adding tiny fractions of a second to our days. It's a slow process, but over millions of years it makes a huge difference. Imagine a future where a day lasts 30 hours. How would life change? Would we have longer work days or extended vacations? The possibilities are mind-blowing. So, viewers, the next time you step outside and feel the warmth of the sun or watch the days grow longer or shorter, remember, you are witnessing the incredible effects of Earth's spin and tilt in action. The change of seasons isn't just about temperature. It affects everything from plant growth to animal migrations, ocean currents, and even human cultures. Festivals, holidays, and traditions across the world are deeply connected to the seasons, proving just how much our planet's movement shapes our lives. Now that you know the fascinating secrets of Earth's spin and seasons, here's a question: what's your favorite season and why? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts and knowledge. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.